There were a couple of weather delays, but just after 5:35 p.m. Eastern, a Falcon 9 rocket launched into orbit from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida, finally delivering Astra 1P into geostationary orbit. 35 minutes after lift orbit, Astra 1P was put into geostationary transfer orbit. After the Falcon 9 rocket's first stage was deployed on a drone ship in the Atlantic Ocean, it was landed. Today's launch represented SpaceX's most recent accomplishment in the reusable rocket domain. It is redefining space expedition by allowing prices to be reduced and launches to be launched more regularly, demonstrating the company's continued dominance and innovation. SES was the first commercial satellite operator to collaborate with SpaceX, launching it in 2013. In 2017, SES became the first business to reuse a booster for launching, demonstrating its trust in Elon Musk's brainchild. SES has proved, preserved, and will continue to rely on SpaceX's capabilities in space launching, resulting in more businesses rapidly expanding their space activities in collaboration with SpaceX. Booster landings by SpaceX have progressively become more common. It marked the company's 320th successful landing of an orbital-class rocket. The booster had made 8 prior outings before delivering Astra 1P into orbit, including 4 for SpaceX's Starlink broadband constellation. Machine upkeep and dependability were demonstrated. Built by Europe's Thales Alenia Space, Astra 1P will use onboard electric propulsion to move to its target orbital slot at 19.2 degrees east. It will have completed a checkup and will begin its services by January next year. The technology will enable it to move quickly in order to extend the amount of time it can securely transact with its customers. Astra 1P is intended to replace 4 aging distribution satellites covering Europe and offering TV services to approximately 119 million households in Germany, Spain, France, and other countries. These retiring satellites were, of course, placed in the Ku-band, and SES CEO Adel Al-Saleh confirmed that Astra 1P's Ku-band capacity was easily enough to replace these older returning units and provide millions of viewers who depend on SES broadcasts with unbroken service. Thales Alenia Space to provide Ku-band satellite for SES. In contrast, while Astra 1P is a conventional satellite, Astra 1Q is a software-defined satellite that can be repurposed for different connectivity missions. This flexibility enables SES to meet evolving market requirements and new technology developments, offering broadcast and broadband services that are future-proofed. Expected for launch in 2026, Astra 1Q is complementary to Astra 1P in terms of advanced capabilities and will contribute to a fully operational, future-proofed, and redundant SES satellite fleet. With the satellite TV market battling competition from online streaming services, SES and other traditional broadcast operators are now pivoting toward broadband, an expanding market driven by insatiable appetite for data. This is part of a larger plan to keep up to speed with the times and adapt to rapidly changing consumer paradigms. SES, by boosting its high-speed internet and data services sold directly to telecom companies, hopes to expand its share of the market. In March, SES unveiled a $3.1 billion takeover of rival satellite operator Intelsat. The move is intended to boost SES connectivity services that are under pressure from such players as SpaceX's Starlink. The purchase is designed to generate major synergies that will strengthen SES's ability to provide efficient, high-quality solutions to clients. Concurrently, SES raised a €3 billion debt package to back this ambitious acquisition. The thruster buy is reflective of SES's push to remain at the front of new capabilities that come apace with the uncertain but innovative space sector. The extra funds will allow SES to plow money into new technologies and offerings, making the company competitive again in both broadcast and broadband. Astra 1P flying and Intelsat on the auction block demonstrates how quickly things in the space biz can change. I feel that companies such as SES are constantly evolving new challenges and trying to keep up with changes in technology. These announcements also underscore the growing importance of partnerships and collaboration in accomplishing ambitious space exploration and satellite communications objectives. The satellite will be a major technology profile point, as it uses electric propulsion to reach its geostationary orbit from the usual transfer orbit. The system helps not only to prolong the life of a satellite, but also to improve maneuverability in order to more accurately hold the desired orbit. These types of innovations are important as the industry for satellite services expands with rising demand and seeks technologies that will be able to help meet global needs in a better, more reliable fashion. The two large, fully digitalized satellites, which are a few of the most powerful and flexible in the world on orbit, were built under a strategic partnership with Thales Alenia Space. The ultimate goal to corner a market has led to the powerful synergy of Thales Alenia Space's satellite manufacturing expertise and SES's operational mastery, providing impetus for innovation in the space industry. Whether the collaboration will close is a prime and proper case for how partnerships can drive tech innovation faster and provide better services to customers. Looking forward, the future of satellite communications has never looked brighter. With the growth of technology, combined with acquisitions and partnerships, this has laid the perfect foundation for what is expected to be a truly connected future. The coming years are only going to feature hundreds of more companies populating in the space industry, and with new technologies enabling this growth, it is exciting how humans can embrace such innovation. That commitment to innovation shows up in their strategic moves and technological investments as well. SES is helping accomplish this by constantly breaking new ground, helping not only secure its position in the market, but also further pushing towards broader goal of space being more accessible and valuable for everyone. Space is returning as the fast and unprecedented space industry in human history, and it is also at the cusp of profound transformation. We can only look forward to more of such impressive accomplishments, with companies like SpaceX and SES at the helm. But more important in the long arc of our history, and helping us reimagine who we are, what we can do with the destiny that brought us to be Earthlings in this great year of 2019, is hopefully, Lord willing, being not an extra lunar horizons quip, but a sincere nod, as can only come from a confirmed space cadet like your loyal correspondent himself. These awe-inspiring developments for industry insiders must ultimately redound to the greater general good and wonderment of the public at large, which will enjoy materially improved services while unlocking fabulous new prospects amongst ourselves via our exploration of outer space. Follow Galactic Gazette News for more on space exploration and technology. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with the latest space developments.